The lint filter on the combo washer can be found on top of the appliance. It is recommended to clean regularly after every dry cycle. Pull the filter assembly towards you to remove the lint. The design has a gasket that conveniently removes most of the lint for you. Periodically, the filter and surrounding areas will need additional cleaning. This appliance has a fine mesh filter, which if clean, you should be able to see through it. If the particles are too small to remove by hand, rinse the filter and let it dry before putting it back in the washer combo. There is also an inner filter that will require cleaning when lint is visible. Use a brush or vacuum to clean. If there is still debris present, you can remove this filter. Remove the adhesive covering the screw and then remove this screw. Push down on the tabs on the side to unlock the vent cover. With the vent cover removed, you can now remove the inner filter to rinse clean. You can use a brush to clean visible debris, but do not insert anything inside the vent or you may damage the condenser. Once clean with the tab aligned, reinsert the vent cover. Line up the bottom holes and insert the vent cover and push back into place. Using the slots on the side, line up the filter assembly and push back into place and reinsert the filter.